Good morning, everyone. My name is Harsh Nathani. So today we are going to talk about climate change. So from past 3 to 4 decades, we are seeing a lot of changes in our environment. First of all, we will talk about what is climate change. So climate climate change is when Earth average temperature increase by 1.4 degrees Celsius per decade. So first of all, if you are thinking that 1.4 degrees Celsius is very less, so it is unfortunately a misunderstanding. Uh, but in reality, 1.4 degrees Celsius is a very big thing. So let's talk about how it is happening. So first is burning of fossil fuel like petrol, diesel, etc. Second, deforestation because by cutting a lot of trees, so the area is becoming too hot. Third is excessive emission of the greenhouse gases like CO2, methane, like these gases. Number four is a lot of uses of vehicle rather than public vehicle or cycle. So this is the fact. So let's talk about what happen if there is global warming or climate change. So if there is climate change, so first is it will impact in directly in agriculture because agriculture uh, item need a good proper rainfall, a good temperature. But by the climate change, the weather pattern will change drastically, and it will directly impact on agriculture, and then it will directly impact on us. So thing is this. Second is aquatic species life. Like as I tell that the climate change is Earth average temperature increase. So the ocean water temperature will also increase. So then the aquatic species will be affected directly. Third is if the temperature of average temperatures is increase in sea, so a glacier will melt drastically, very quickly. So it will impact on us. Like the ocean level will increase, and uh, there are some Iceland also which can submerge. So that is not a good thing. So I have tell a lot of bad thing. Let's talk about how it can be good in that. So first is afforestation. Plant more and more trees as possible. Second is less use of carbon emission products. Third is less use of private vehicle. Use public vehicle or use cycle to go for a small distance. Number four is spread awareness about the climate change. Is this not a theoretical concept? It is now a reality, as we have seen last year in 2024. The It was the highest ever temperature recorded in last 19,000 years. So you can directly see that. So next we will talk about what is world doing and what is India doing. If we talk about world, so if we talk about Europe, so they have imposed carbon tariff. So that is directly helping in the to reduce the carbon emission product and to make an impact in the nature. Second, if we talk about India, so India and France have made a agreement on solar energy agreement between France and India. So that is a very good thing. If we talk about India, so India have targeted 500 gigawatt energy by 2030. Till now, India has reached 200 to 250 gigawatts. So India is doing really good in that. And at last, what is our responsibility? So our responsibility is to plant more and more trees, to stop using vehicle or any type of vehicle which producing carbon for small distance. We can go by running, we can go by walking, we can go by cycling, we can go by public bus, public transport. So this we can do. And at last, in conclusion, so conclusion is simple, that we are the one who started climate change, and we are the one who can end this if we give individually effort, little effort, like in the individual aspect. As I said, the solution, if we implement it in our daily life, so definitely it will impact our nature. And I will request you to plant a tree at your birthday every year, so that everyone would follow it, and at the end we will see a very beautiful nature in our in the front of us. Thank you.